Alright, what is up everyone? I have a bit of a different video for you guys today. I thought it'd be kind of fun to just kind of talk about what I think my top 5 picks for top 5 performers are for this next bull run, if and when it does come in 2021. Okay, so before I delve into that, I'd like to ask if you please like, subscribe, comment, and share. Hit the bell icon to be notified of new uploads. We do cryptocurrency news, technical analysis, and bite out stuff. We're trying to hit 1,000 subscribers before the end of October. So if you could subscribe, I really appreciate you. So let's delve into what my top 5 picks, my top 5 performers are for this next bull run. Before I delve into that, I need to make a few things crystal clear. This is all my opinion. This is not financial advice, okay? These are highly speculative picks, as I believe the whole of the cryptocurrency market is driven highly by speculation. Okay, I'm not giving this video is not intended to give the best possible entry price. Okay, there could be a lot of volatility within the next few weeks and months here. Okay, coins I mentioned could very well possibly go down after I mention them in this video. Okay, these are just my personal opinions, what I think could be top performers throughout the course of this next bull run, if and when it does come in 2021. I believe there will be a bull run. I could be wrong. I believe it will end sometime late 2021, maybe August to December, sometime there. I think will be the peak of this next bull run. Okay, guys, I need to make a lot of things clear here. It's not financial advice. I don't want to be responsible for anyone's losses. I could be wrong about these picks. In fact, I'm probably gonna go out on a limb and say I will most likely be wrong about these picks. These picks I make right now are in all likelihood probably not going to be the top performers for 2021, but I think they have a good chance of being top performers, and I'm actually invested in almost all of these. I'm invested in 4 out of 5 of these. So full disclosure, I'll let you know which ones I'm invested in, which ones I'm not, and I want to make it very clear, this is not financial advice. This is just for fun. What I think could be the top performers for 2021. Again, guys, I think I could be wrong. In fact, I'll probably be wrong. It'll probably be some other combination of coins that will probably be the top performers. But this is just what I think. Some coins that have a very, very good chance of being top performers. So now that all that is out of the way, let's delve into what I think could be some of the best performers. I want to kind of throw out there 5 picks that I think I have the opinion that I could perform very well. So my first pick is Ethereum, guys. What is it? 80 or 90% of the cryptocurrency space is built on Ethereum. Oh my God, guys. Ethereum, in my opinion, will do absolutely amazing throughout the course of this next year. Again, I could be wrong. Personally speaking, I think we're going to see an Ethereum within the tens of thousands of dollars at the peak of this next bull run. Guys, I could be wrong, okay? This is highly speculative, and this is just my opinion. This is what I'm doing. I'm not saying what you should do. It is important you do your own research, have your own risk assessment when investing. Don't invest anything you're not prepared to lose. Have stop losses, all of that, okay, guys? This is risky. None of this is a guarantee. But with all that being said, I have confidence, personally speaking, that Ethereum will perform very well, not only long term, but throughout the course of this next year. One very important thing to consider with Ethereum, though, is right now the creators are working on Ethereum 2.0, where they're going to make Ethereum much more fast and cheap to use. So depending on how Ethereum 2.0, how it rolls out, whether it's successful or not, will really be determinative of how well it'll perform long term. So that's just something to keep in mind. Another top pick of mine, some of you guys might already know if you've been watching the channel, is XRP. I'm personally, I'm bullish on XRP long term. Now I know some people aren't. There's a lot of arguments you can make for XRP, both pro and con, and I've heard them, and I can see both sides of the argument for sure. But just speaking on ROI potential, guys, I think just the potential, ROI potential here, if it reaches its all-time highs, is so high that you'd kind of be crazy not to really think XRP is could be a top performer here. Again, none of this is financial advice, guys, but I think XRP had an all-time high of roughly around 340, depending on what exchange you look at. It says different things here, but yeah, guys, look. So let's just say 350, right? So let's look at the ROI if we were to compare, or if we were to see from today's prices to just the all-time highs, and this is all assuming that we do get a bull run, that is not a guarantee, to the all-time highs, let's see here. Current price, 25-ish, all-time highs, over 1,000% ROI, okay? My opinion, I could be wrong, is if and when we do get another bull run, I think XRP can not only reach its all-time highs, but it will break far above. I'm guessing, guys, optimistically speaking, we could see XRP anywhere from $10 to $15 at the peak of this next bull run. Okay, guys, that's kind of what I'm aiming for. I could be wrong. That is not a guarantee. It is important you do your own research. This is not advice. I'm just kind of talking about what I'm doing, and that's it. So my next pick is Chainlink. I really love Chainlink, guys. Chainlink throughout the courses of these last few months have really proven itself as a big player within the cryptocurrency space. Like, yeah, guys, it's a top 10 coin. A lot of these picks are going to be large coins, and some of you say, oh, it's a cop out, but there's a reason why a lot of these coins that I'm mentioning are in like the top 10. It's because they have a lot of use case behind them and a lot of good potential behind them. So Chainlink, guys, is at 1072. Like I said in previous videos, I forget it. I either bought at either 19 or 14. As you can see, it's gone down quite a bit since then, and I haven't sold, and I won't be because I think Chainlink at the peak of this next bull run is very possible it could be worth in the hundreds of dollars. Okay, guys, not financial advice. That's highly speculative. That's never happened before. I mean, Chainlink's a very new coin, so this is not a guarantee, but this is just what I'm thinking. This is my opinion. I could be wrong. So yeah, Chainlink is like my third, I'd say, pick for a top 5 performer throughout the course of the next bull run. Chainlink is a decentralized oracle. Decentralized oracles are needed because kind of what Chainlink does is it allows these cryptocurrencies to connect and bring data from the outside world within within like a coin's ecosystem. So I won't delve into the fundamentals a whole lot more, but I think Chainlink has a very, very positive potential future. Yeah. So I'll leave that there for Chainlink. Now my next top pick for top performer for 2021, some of you might be able to guess, is ByteDAO. I really like ByteDAO. ByteDAO, in my opinion, has a lot going for it. It has a lot of solid partners. I think it has a good shot of being a top performer in the DeFi space throughout the course of this next bull run. In my opinion, guys, now I could be wrong, guys. I just want to keep saying that. I don't want to be responsible for anyone's losses. This is not financial advice. It's just opinion. Take this as entertainment. Yeah, I'll leave it at that. I could potentially see a ByteDAO at the peak of this next bull run, roughly a year from now, roughly anywhere from 50 cents to $1. I think that's entirely possible if we get a market cap in the hundreds of millions, $500 million, depending. Another important thing to consider here, guys, is we're going to have a token burn soon with ByteDAO, so we don't know what the final circulating supply will be yet for sure. It's likely going to be under 2 billion. The current circulating supply is roughly about 4 billion. So, if we reach a market cap similar to that of MakerDAO, MakerDAO is another large cryptocurrency that's doing something similar to ByteDAO. So if we can reach that and we have a much smaller supply than what we currently have, I have no doubt thinking that ByteDAO could be worth in the high tens of cents, potentially dollars. So that's kind of what I see happening with ByteDAO. Again, I could be wrong, guys, but my opinion is I'm very optimistic about the long-term future of ByteDAO. We could, with all these coins, guys, we could see potential downturn within the near future. These coins could dump a lot. I'm not saying this as get in right now, FOMO into this. No, support you do your own research. A lot of these coins could potentially go down within the near future. I'm not giving entry prices here, but with all those caveats being said, I do think these coins will do very well throughout the course of this next year. I could be wrong, guys. So for my last pick, I think Uniswap, Uni, has a good shot of being a very good performer throughout the course of this next year. If you don't, for those of you who don't know, Uni or Uniswap is Uniswap's token. Uniswap is the largest decentralized exchange out there in the world. I believe, I don't know if it maintained it, but at some point it had a more trading volume than Coinbase. and Coinbase is, I believe, what is it, the second largest centralized exchange in the world. So that's a big deal that a decentralized exchange is having trading volume that competes with the top two exchanges for cryptocurrency in the world, Binance and in Coinbase. I think that's a big deal, and I think the decentralized cryptocurrency space is going to continue to grow and has a good potential future. So I think Uniswap is likely to benefit greatly from that. So yeah, guys, those are my top 5 picks for this next bull run 2021, if and when it does happen. So yeah, I oh, just to wrap up on what I mentioned before. So I'm actually invested in all these picks except Uniswap currently. So I own ETH, I own XRP, I own Chainlink, and I own ByteDAO. So I just want to make that very clear for disclosure's sake. I'm currently invested in these cryptocurrencies I've mentioned, and I'm invested in a few others that I haven't mentioned here as well. So, take everything I've said with a grain of salt. It's very important you do your own research. Today's prices might not be the best prices to get in, and it is not a guarantee that these cryptocurrencies will succeed long term. Now, I think they will, but that is not a guarantee, and it's somewhat speculative. So, yeah, guys, I just want to give you guys those picks. I thought it'd be kind of fun to kind of talk about what I think are going to be the top performers for this next year. I also think it'd be fun to compare. Like a year from now, I'm gonna look back on this video and I'll be like, was I right or was I wrong? Personally speaking, I think it's more likely than not that those are not going to be the top performers, but I think I'll be close to right. Like all these coins have they seem like they have good fundamentals. So I think it's going to be interesting to see looking back a year from now, seeing how right I was, how wrong I was, what coins did succeed, if there's any new coins that came into the space that did better, what coins didn't perform as good as I thought they would. So I just thought it'd be kind of fun and kind of interesting to put this kind of video out there. So yeah, guys, I think I'll leave it there. If you could please like, subscribe, that'd be awesome. I appreciate all of you who support us. That's it, y'all. Take care.